guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. Thanks for joining me once again for a CVS deals video. This is the first week of this art cycle and there are some easy deals that you can still grab. If you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and make sure you scan the products in the store. That way you know what coupons or CRTs are attached. We have a spend 20 get 5 back on Scott Bag Tissue 12 rolls or Comfort Plus 18 double rolls. Pick up one Scott Bag Tissue on sale for $10.99 and one Comfort Plus double roll on sale for $10.99. These two will total $21.98. We have a dollar digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.98 and you get 5 back, making them $15.98 or $7.99 each. Another way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 Cottonelle wipes on sale for 2 for $9 and pick up 1 Scott Bag Tissue on sale for $10.99. These 3 items will total $19.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Use the $1 digital coupon for the Scott Bag Tissue and you pay $18.99, get 5 back, making them $13.99 or $4.66 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on select Colgate toothpaste. Pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh on sale for $3.99. The 2 will total $7.98. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.98 and you get 5 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $4.99 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.98. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each toothpaste, limit of 2. That means you're getting back $4 from Ibotta, making them free and $2.02 money maker. The next deal I have is not giving back extra care box and it's on select Kellogg cereal and Post cereal. If you're picking up the Kellogg cereal, they're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 1 and pay $1.99. If you prefer the Post cereal, pick up 1, pay $1.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back, limit of 1, making it just $1.24. If you like the Nature Valley granola bars, they're on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 for a total of $3.98. We have a 50 cents off 2 digital coupon, and that will leave you to pay $3.48. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back for buying 2, and that will make them $2.98 or $1.49 each. Cheerios cereal is on sale for $2.99 and when you buy 1, you get $1 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $5.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.98, get $1 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back for buying 2, making them just $2.98 or $1.49 each. CoverGirl and NYX Cosmetics are part of spend 12 get $4 back. Pick up 1 CoverGirl twin brow pencils priced at $6.29 and 1 NYX lip pencil priced at $5.59. The 2 will total $11.88 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 12. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you will get your $4 extra care box. We have a $2 digital coupon for the CoverGirl and we have a $4 extra care coupon that will attach to any item that is part of this spend deal. The 2 coupons will take off $6 and you pay $5.88 and get 4 back, making them just $1.88 or 94 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 15 get 10 back on any Real Technique or Eco Tools cosmetic tools. Pick up 1 Eco Tools brush and sponge set priced at $14.99 and that's within the 98% rule for spend 15. Make sure your store follows it, that way you get your extra care box back. If you have a percentage of CRT and you don't mind paying out of pocket, you can use it with this deal because it's not on sale. If not, pay $14.99, get 10 back, making it just $4.99. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on any Nivea body wash and I have 2 options for this deal, so you pick which one you want. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea men body wash priced at $5.99 each. And the 2 will total $11.98. Pay that and get 7 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99 each. The two will total $13.98. Pay the $13.98 and you get 7 back, making them $6.98 or $3.49 each. Soft soap liquid hand soap is on sale for $2.49, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $4.98. Pay the $4.98 and you get 2 back, making them $2.98 or $1.49 each. If you can print out the 50-cent coupon from their website, print out 2, then use it with this deal, and you pay $3.98, get $2 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is on Dove Men Plus Care deodorant or dry spray. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 2 price at $9.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $5. These 2 deodorants will total $14.99. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon, and you will pay $10.99, get 4 back, making them $6.99 or $3.50 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 back on Axe deodorant or body spray. Pick up 2 Axe body spray price at $9.49. Both will total $18.98. Check your app because we have a $7.50 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $11.48 and you get 4 back, making them $7.48 or $3.74 each. OGX hair care are on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner price at $9.29 each, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. The 2 will total $14.86. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $10.86 and you get 4 back, making them $6.86 or $3.43 each. Garnier Fruity shampoo or conditioners are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner for a total of $7.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.98 and get 3 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. The 10.6 to 12.5 ounce head and shoulder hair care products are on sale for 2 for $13.88, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2, pay $13.88 and you get 5 back, making them $8.88 or $4.44 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 textures and tones priced at $8.49 each, and the 2 will total $16.98. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon, and I think in last week's savings set there is a 6 off 2 coupon in there. The coupon will drop it down to $10.98 and you get 5 back, making them $5.98 or $2.99 each. We have a spend 20 get 4 back instead of the spend 30 get 10. It's not the best this week, but I have 2 options in case you need them. The first one is to pick up the Tide detergent on sale for $14.99. and 1 Charmin 4 mega rolls on sale for $5.99. The 2 will total $20.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and $1 digital coupon for the bath tissue. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $16.98, get 4 back, making them $12.98 or $6.49 each. The second option is to pick up 1 Bounty 6 double rolls on sale for $15.99 and 1 Charmin 4 mega rolls on sale for $5.99. These 2 will total $21.98. We have a $2 off Bounty digital coupon and a $1 off Charmin digital coupon. The 2 coupons will take off $3 and you pay $18.98, get 4 back, making them $14.98 or $7.49 each. And the third option is to pick up 1 Tide Pod on sale for $13.49 and 1 Downy Rinse and Refresh on sale for $6.99. These 2 will total $20.48. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Tide Pod. On Coupon 24 app, there is a $3.50 off Downy coupon that you can use. The 2 coupons will take off $7.50 and you pay $13.98, get 4 back, making them $9.98 or $4.99 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get 10 back on any Always Discreet adult care. Pick up 2 17 counts priced at $16.99 each, and the 2 will total $33.98. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $28.98. Then you get 10 back, making them $18.98 or $9.49 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.